Hey guys, it's Makia and welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to be showing you guys how I did my goddess braids. Okay, so I really wanted some long goddess knotless braids. They didn't come out too knotless, but I really wanted the goddess braids with the human hair on the ends. I seen Jordyn Woods with it and I thought it was so cute. I follow this page on Instagram called Braided by T, and she kills this look, so I definitely wanted to try it. So let's get right into the video. The first thing that you want to do is get you a hair rack because this helps the process go by so quick, okay? Next thing you want to do is top the top of your roots with some Shine and Jam, you know, just to slick your roots down. Comb it out with a red tooth comb. And yeah, so after my hair is combed out and I have my jam on it, I'm going to split my hair into 3 pieces. You see that? 1, 2, and 3. To get the perfect braid, you need 3 pieces. So yeah, and I'm gonna try to explain this the best way I can. So I'm going to take the braiding hair and I'm going to put it around the outer 2 pieces. The middle piece is going to be my hair only. So the fake hair is on the outer 2 pieces. The middle piece is my hair. And that's how I'm going to start my braid. Go ahead and start braiding with the middle piece being your hair only. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and braid, and I'm going to braid this down about 5 to 6 times. And once I get to the 5th and 6th time, I will split the hair and I will add some of the braiding hair from the other 2 ends to my middle piece. So now my middle piece has braiding hair on it. So all 3 pieces are long. All 3 pieces I have the same like width and density. It's hard to explain, but I'm gonna try my best. So I just took some hair from the 2 ends and added it to the middle piece. Now I'm just going to take some Shine and Jam and I'm going to rub it on the hair so I can blend my natural hair in with the braiding hair. So as you can see, I just took some Shine and Jam and rubbed it down, and now I'm going to keep on braiding. You see my natural hair? I'm just going to smooth that into the braiding hair. If you don't do this part, your braids will be a little fuzzy. So you want to make sure that you do use some type of jam or gel to make sure that your braids are smooth. But yeah, I'm just braiding this down, and I'm going to speed this up right here because I don't want y'all to just sit here and watch me braid this piece down. And then I will slow it back down when we get to the goddess part on the ends when we're adding the hair in. So I'm just braiding. Okay, so we're coming to close to the end of the braid. You want to braid down close to the end, really close to the end. So as you see, it's getting really small and I'm close. So now right here is when I'm going to add in the goddess hair. Okay, so I have my 3 pieces. Now, I'm going to try, y'all. I'm going to try to explain this. So bear with me. Okay, I have my human hair, and you see how it's in half? I'm literally just going to put this under my finger. I'm putting the braiding hair right under one of my fingers. You see that? It's under one. Like the middle piece is just the regular braid. And then the two ends is one piece is a long piece of the curly hair and the other piece is just a short end. And I'm literally just braiding that right in. Like nothing complicated, nothing too hard. Literally. I just put it under my finger and just started braiding it. And now I'm going to split that. I'm going to split that. And I'm going to add some of that hair to each piece. Just like I did at the top with my natural hair and the braiding hair, I'm just going to split. I'm going to split that curly hair into 3. And I'm going to add one piece to one section, one piece to the other, and leave the third piece with the third piece. Now once I braided that down just a little bit, I'm going to secure that with a knot. Just so it can be, you know, it won't come out, because since this is human hair, you can't like burn the ends with the lighter. So I just tied that with a knot, and there's your goddess. I know that demonstration was probably horrible. That explanation was probably horrible, but just don't worry. I'm gonna show y'all again what I did. So I don't want y'all to sit here for all this time and watch me braid this entire last section. So I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna do that, and then I'll come back when I'm down to my last like 2 to 3 braids, and I'll explain it again. Okay, so I'm back to my last like 2 rows. I was so happy at this point. So I'm going ahead, I'm putting my jam right at the base of my braid. And then right after I put that jam there, I'm going to comb that base out just so it won't be like clumpy. Then I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to split that base into 3. Same thing we did the first time. Split the base into 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, and 3. Now I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to take my braiding hair, and I'm going to lay the 2 ends with the braiding hair, and I'm going to leave the middle as my natural hair. 2 ends and the middle. You see that? Okay, now I'm just going to start braiding like natural. I'm just going to start plaiting like normal. I'm plaiting down about 6 times. And now right here is when I'm going to split the hair. I'm taking some hair from the 2 ends and I'm adding that right to the piece with my natural hair. And then I'm just going to keep braiding. Just braid like normal. It's so like a seamless process. It's really hard to explain, but it's definitely like a seamless process. It's a seamless transition. It's going to feel right in the moment. So I'm just going to braid that down. I'm going to show y'all one more time how to do the base. So we're on the last braid. I was so freaking happy. So go ahead, put your jam around the base. Comb that base out. Get your braiding hair, split your natural hair into 3 pieces. And then just start to braid. Now right here is when I'm going to take some of that braiding hair and add it to the middle piece that only contains my natural hair. And I'm just going to braid that all the way down to the ends. And you want to keep your braid consistent just so they look nice and neat. Okay, so now we at the end, and I'm plaiting that down pretty close to the end of the hair. Now I have my 3 pieces. Now I'm just going to take that curly hair, I'm going to put it right under my finger, and I'm going to start plaiting it right in. And then I'm going to separate the 3 pieces, separate the curly hair into 3 pieces, and just continue to braid, just like I did with the base. Separate, you see now it's curly on each end. Okay, so after I do all of that, I did wet the hair, and now I'm just adding some mousse on it. And I did wet the hair with the boiling hot water. I just did not wet the ends. It was so hard to do that, but I just literally put some boiling hot water in a cup and poured it on the like shaft or middle of the braids, and then make sure I did not get that boiling hot water on the curly hair, because I mean it wouldn't have been straight if I would have did that. So yeah, now I just put my some oil on my hair, put some mousse on my hair, and then laid my edges a little bit. And this is how the braids came out. I was in a rush because I was going on a cruise, and this is me on the cruise with my braids looking so cute. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I tried my best to explain it, but I hope you guys' braids come out just as good as mine did. If you do these, make sure you send me some pictures on Instagram. I love y'all. Bye. And make sure you subscribe. Subscribe.